This is Mamutasan Mehraj. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I'll start drawing from the front plane. In the front plane, I'll draw this circle, and this circle has a dimension of 45 diameter. Then I will extrude it to 90 unit. After that, we can see we have another shape in here, and this shape, for doing this shape, we can see from the center of this cycle it has a vertical distance of 110 unit. So from this center of the cycle I'll draw a center line of 110 unit. Okay, after that we can see it has a horizontal distance of 90 unit. Then I'll select the midpoint line and draw a horizontal distance of 90 unit, and from that line I'll draw two tangent line. One tangent line is in this way and another tangent line in other way. After then I will select the previous circle and make it convert into this, and then close the shape. Then I'll extrude it to in this way, which will be 15 unit. After that we can see we have another inclined shape like here, and from drawing this inclined shape we can see we have to draw a surface in the circular path. For that I will extend this inclined shape beyond this line. Okay, then I will close this shape, and this inclined shape has a dimension at this intersection point is 55 unit. After that I will extrude it to 15 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. So first of all I'm selecting the front plane. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 45 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude it to 90 unit. Now press OK. Now again select the front plane, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the center line from here and draw a center line of 110 unit. Okay, now select the midpoint line from here and draw a midpoint line of 90 units. So the half distance will be 90 divided by 2. Okay, after that select two inclined line. This inclined line will be later selected as a tangent line. Now select on of this line and the circle. Now select the relation tangent. Now press OK. Now select the other line and the circle also. Now select the relation tangent. Now press OK. Now select the previous circle and make this convert into this. So a circular shape will be created like this way. Now again normal to it. Now select the trim entities and trim all the unnecessary line that we don't need. Now press OK. After that isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude it to it will be extrude to 15 unit. Now press OK. Now this time we have the fillet here, and the fillet is, we can see the fillet is radius 20 unit, so we'll give a fillet of radius 20 unit. Okay, so I'm selecting the fillet from here, and this fillet has a dimension of radius 20 unit, so dimension to radius 20 unit. Select this line and you can select the other line. Now press OK. Now it's time for drawing the inclined triangular shape, and for that I'm selecting the right plane here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it, and now draw an inclined line like this way. Okay, I'm drawing an inclined line. Okay, after drawing this line, now select the I select a point here. Okay, I'm selecting this point to dimension it to 55 unit because the other dimension is going to exceed this line. So select this one dimension. Now select this line point and this line. The dimension is 55 unit, and now select OK. Now extend this line beyond this here. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool, and from this point to this upper point it has a dimension of 20 unit. Now select OK. Now select the previous point and this line and make them coincident. Now press OK. Now close the shape and now select this line. and joint all the shape here. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 15 unit. So extrude boss it to 15 unit from the mid plane. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we have to extrude cut cycle, extrude, and these are made by whole wizard. So the dimension is m12 unit, and there has a distance from here to here. We can say 50 divided by 25 unit. So from this cycle to this line, the distance will be 25. 25 half distance of here, 25 minus 7.5, and the as it is 90 unit from this center line, and also this one is 19 from about this line, so all are situated in a same line. Okay, so after that we have another circular profile here. In this circular profile has a extrude boss of 30 unit, and it has a dimension of m80 unit. Because first of all we'll have to draw a 18 unit circle and extrude it to 30 unit, then we'll use the thread unit to cut a thread. Okay, cut a thread of m18.2.5. Here for a smooth shape I will use the chamfer tool here and use the swift cut for a better thread cut. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. So first of all I'm selecting the whole widget from here, and now selecting the whole option here. Now tab deal m18 by 2.5. Okay, now whole position. Now 3D sketch. Now select the view orientation and select this front face. Now place a cycle. Sorry, it will be m12. It will be m12 tape. So I'm selecting the m12 tape. So select the m12 tape. Okay, now go to 3 position. Now 3D sketch. Now draw 2 cycle. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool, and from here to this line it has a vertical distance of 25 minus 7.5 unit. Then select this line and select this two line, and they have a distance of 0 unit. Okay, again now select this other line and this cycle. Selecting this other line and this, sorry, let me select this one dimension tool again. Select this cycle and this line, and the vertical distance is 25 minus 7.5 unit. Then again select the cycle and select this horizontal line, the distance is 0 unit. Now press OK and also press OK. So our whole widget has been done. Now select this circular face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a circle and draw a circle of 18 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 30 units. So extrude boss it to 30 unit from the blind tool. Now press OK. For a better thread, I'll first use this chamfer, little chamfer. So I'm selecting a chamfer. You can use your thread as you want. So I'm doing a little chamfer here. Now press OK. Now it's time to use the thread tool. You can search in the search box and find the thread, and here is the thread option. And we'll do now press OK. We'll do m18 by 2.5 thread. Okay, so I'm selecting this point, m18 2.5 thread. You can go to upper view and select it is done quite well. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now you can select the swift cut and give it a smooth shape. You can if you rotate here, you can see we have a surface here. So I'm selecting this surface and path as this line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.